it's about 3 hours, right? 3 hours, right?
3 hours 15 minutes. That's what it says.
Well, it's about 3 hours from Porto to Lisbon, but then from Lisbon we have to take the metro. It's another 20 minutes. Oh, no, 30 minutes. The subway.
The train, another train. Douro River. On our way to Lisbon. Now we crossed that bridge to come to the train station. Now we're going down south.
What are you guys doing?
Trying to get away.
There I found. We're in Cascais.
You said this was, you guys were lying. You said this one is probably smaller than the other. What?
Oh, you have an office.
Dude, we must...
I don't know if that one is a sofa bed because it's the third bedroom.
You have your office here. This is big, man.
Nice view.
Look at the master bedroom.
Whoa, what?
Look, another gift.
Wow.
Wait, another gift.
We have another gift.
The stairs?
Look at the master bedroom.
We won't be able to bring all these gifts now.
This is pretty big, huh? Portuguese player.
Look at all the goodies they gave us.
I'm opening this already. I wish there was cold beer, but after that travel, another travel day with luggage all over the place.
We'll do
When
proper
you-
tour of the
When you don't travel for 2
penthouse
years,
after.
when you don't travel for 2 years, you forget how to pack and stuff.
Yeah.
You learned. I learned. Next time, just me traveling. This cups now, huh?
So doing a little tour of our Airbnb here in Cascais. Here's the washroom.
Gianna was supposed to do that for us.
I know, but she doesn't want to do it
Gianna,
anymore.
what happened to your apartment doors?
Nice, spacious living room. And the kitchen. Everything is labeled here and clean. Everything looks brand new. What a view though, right babe?
Yeah, every room.
Every corner.
I think every room has a view. Office area.
And this is going downstairs, the office area.
Hey then.
It's a couch that turns into a sofa bed. You could actually work here. And there's another bedroom here. Big bed, I think it's king size. And there's another washroom here. Another nice view. And now let's go upstairs. You're still here?
I'm looking for the clothes. No one doesn't seem to be working.
This is the best part. Waking up in the morning and you see this nice view. Can't wait. Can't wait to sleep and wake up to this nice, amazing view. And another best part is the walk-in closet that brings you to another washroom. You can see this nice view while taking a shower. Just make sure nobody's outside. And there's a jacuzzi up there. And we have a nice big balcony here.
With the bay, the view of the bay, Cascais Bay. The marina was there. There's some huge big mansion right over here. Ooh, I wonder who owns it. Look at that.
And another best part.
This is the best part.
Well, I said a lot of best parts, so it's the jacuzzi.
How come it's not slowly press that?
You turn it on?
Yeah.
Okay, this Airbnb is beautiful.
Hurry up, I'm waiting
So
downstairs.
nice.
It's taking forever here.
We can't leave this place. this mall to eat since we're super hungry and we don't want to wait anymore. We're also gonna go to a food court with a view. Huh? And there's stuff like that.
Yeah.
How much was this?
All this? $8.50.
Chicken, sausage, pork, fries, salad, rice with wine.
Yeah, but it's food court. Food court.
I know, but it's cheap, no? It was like 8 something.
And we were starving and it was the first thing we saw.
highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same. Highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game. Highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same. Highs and lows, highs and lows.
We are heading to the beach, and it's supposed to be like 9 to 10 minutes walking distance from our apartment. Goes where?
To the beach.
That's it. That was really close. That's like less than 5 minutes.
She said 15 minutes. I think it was like 8 minutes, 7 minutes.
No, the other street, the restaurants and stuff at the beach.
No, on the description, it's 12 minutes.
I was It's not far at all.
This is walking by the Cascais Estoril boardwalk. There the boardwalk. It's a natural pool. Take the tunnel to go back to our Airbnb. Or if you continue over here, it goes all the way to the little place where we have to. Yeah, you go here, go to the park.
Tomorrow morning, we know where we could go for a walk. Huh, babe?
Yeah. Morning.
Yeah.
Are you gonna wake up in the morning?
Yeah.
3 days in a row that you wake up at 11. 12. Oh yeah?
Getting good sleep. No. Are you gonna put a voiceover? No, just sometimes, you know.
Ooh, they're pumped now.
Nice place for a workout. Look at that view. Right, Tara?
It's an army boat.
Wait, father.
Everybody's too chicken to go to the water. Huh? You chicken to go to the water?
Yeah.
Here you go. In Porto, I went straight in. I'm here in, I think it's the border of Estoril and Cascais. Goes to there. It's the cold ocean water, the coast of Portugal. It might look like the Caribbean, but the water's not very Caribbean-like. Those two went in. Woo! How is it? Yeah, but you went in too early. Oh, I got my glasses on. Okay, let's go. Oof. Oof. It just goes like this. It goes deep quickly. What do you say?
Please don't push me.
You want me to push you?
No, stop.
Okay, let's go.
Are you gonna?
But I thought you went in already.
Not really. Are you gonna push me?
No. But it's cold, this water, man.
And don't put me in all the way in the deep end.
No, it goes deep really quickly.
I know. So I don't want to go there.
You know how to swim?
Yeah, but still, my feet won't touch. I don't like that.
Ooh. You ready to go?
Don't push me. I don't push
Let's go, come, hold my hand. I'm not gonna push you.
you. Swear?
Yeah. Woo. I went in. Oh.
Okay, 3, 2,
Go in. Go, go.
Go in!
no.
Come on, we're running out of film. Yeah.
Oh, they just jumped off that thing.
Yeah, they've been jumping.
Can I do that?
Go.
Okay.
Yeah.
My body feels so light when I run.
Oh yeah.
I don't know why.
You like the golden sand?
Are you filming?
Yeah.
What?
You like the golden sand? There is some palace castle. I believe it belonged to what? Monaco. The Monaco royalty. Might be wrong. I'm probably wrong, but that's what I read somewhere.
Look at the pool. It's a pool.
Oh, you could go up.
Wait, I want to go here.
Oh, you could go swim, and there's like ladders.
I want to go.
There's ladders.
Can we go there?
That's probably deep.
Oh, no, there's
No, it's surrounded.
It's a pool.
I don't know if it shows, yeah, but
Look, there's stairs there.
Can we go on?
the tide is high now. Yeah, you could go try it.
Maybe.
You're gonna let the French girls from France.
I'm thinking.
How do
about
you?
it. I'm thinking
Oh my
about
God,
it.
what kind of Canadian are you, man?
I'm thinking about it.
Let me know, huh? You're jumping.
No.
Highs and lows, highs and lows. So to say, highs and lows, highs and lows.
Wait, you ready now?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. Adriana, get ready to get the camera. I have to jump in and save him.
You won't have to save me. Why are you filming so close?
Well, you're the one who came close to the camera.
No. Back up.
You go now. You ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Oh, he's far away.
Okay. You good?
Yeah. Did he come up? Oh, he's up. Let's go. Go, Adriana, now. I'll push you. Adriana, you gonna try this natural pool? There you go. Came back from the dangerous pier jumping, and the Chicken Littles that stayed behind are still there. So was I. I was a Chicken Little too. I didn't jump. Guys, stop, man. Aiden, who's your pepper?
How's the pizza?
You want to go?
No. How was the hot tub? Oh, it's not very hot.
It's more of a not 30 degrees. 30, 30.5. But I think it's more of a
Jacuzzi.
pool with the jets.
Say highs and lows, highs and lows.